mystery travel. Now you, we all thank you.
സംസാരിക്കുന്നു. How was the video, man? Good, yeah?
Fantastic, man.
Nice, yeah?
It was very nice, yeah.
The crow is back with that.
Yeah. I fly drones and
Yeah.
I work with...
Are you vlogger?
Huh?
Vlogging?
What you say?
Are you vlogging?
No, shoots make videos. Sometimes I work with videos, sometimes
Yeah.
shoots.
Is it allowed working in a drone here?
Huh?
Is it allowed drone?
What you say?
Drone is allowed here?
If you can't fly?
Yeah, I have a drone, but I am afraid of
Which
this.
drone do you have?
I have a Mavic Air 2.
Mavic 2, you need a license.
Ah, yeah.
This is the Mavic Mini.
Mini, yeah.
Yeah,
No,
I
sir.
bought this because the camera is fantastic
Yeah.
and it's 249 grams.
Ah,
And
yeah.
if you have 250,
Yeah.
you need to make a course.
But
with a
that one is
license.
650 grams.
Huh?
650.
650, yeah,
Yeah,
you need a license.
650,
You need a
yeah.
license for this one.
Yeah.
Because if the guard takes you here to fly a drone,
Yeah.
I will show you my license. And it's better
Yeah.
to get one, you know, because you never know. Sometimes you see people